What is the first one? The profit earned by selling an article for 610 is double the loss incurred when the same article is sold for 175. What would be the selling price of the article if it is sold at 30% profit or loss? Profit. Here we required selling price or cost price? Selling price. Or suppose cost price we return 100%, 30% profit means selling price are 130% or not. Means we required how much percent value? 130%. 130% means multiple of 13 or not. How many options are 13 multiples? First one is 13 multiple or not? Yes or no? No. Second one? No. Third one? Third one, 13 threes are remaining 105. 13 multiple or not? No. Next, fourth option? 469. No. Fifth option? 13 threes are 39, remaining 26. It will be 13 multiple or not? Okay. Next answer will be 416. Next question number 32. The sum of the two positive numbers is given 3000. If 60%. Next question number 32. The sum of the two positive numbers is given 3000 if 60% of the first number is equal to the 20% of second number. What is the question here? Larger number or smaller number? Larger number. Suppose larger number we are taken as A. In that how much percent we need? 60% or not? 60% of A. It is equal to 20% of second number. Second number we treated as smaller number or not? Or else first number are A, second number are B. One is 60% of A, another one are 20% of B or not? 60% of A, it is equal to 20% of B. Then A by B equal to 20 how many times 60? 3 times. Then A by B equal to how much? 1 by 3 or not? B is how many parts? 3 parts. A is how many parts? 1 part. Total number of parts are 4 parts. What are the 4 parts are given? 3000. How many parts we need? 3 parts or not? 4 how many times 3000? 750 or not? 750. 3 into 750. 2250 or not? Double 250. Next question number 33. A circular copper wire of radius 28 centimeters is bent to form a which one? Rectangle. If the length of the rectangle is more than the breadth of the rectangle by how many centimeters? 16 centimeters. What is the question here? Length of the rectangle or not? And here a copper wire is bent to form a which one? Rectangle. Circular copper wire, nothing but it is circular shape or square shape? Circular shape. Circular shape wire converted to which form? Rectangular form or not? Circular shape nothing but it is 2-dimensional figure or not? Rectangular shape also 2-dimensional figure. In 2-dimensional figures, one diagram is converted to another diagram. Which one are equal? Perimeters are equal or not? What is the perimeter of a circle? 2 pi r. 2 pi r means we written 44 by 7 or not? 44 by 7 into r. What is the radius value here? 28. 44 by 7 into r. It is the perimeter of a which one? Circle. It is equal to perimeter of a rectangle or not? What is the perimeter of a rectangle? 2 of L plus B or not? 2 of L plus B. 7 how many times? 28. 4 times. 2 how many times? 44. 22 times or not? Then 22 4 times how much? 88. Then L plus B value it will be how much? 88. And one more, the length of a rectangle compared to breadth value, how much value are extra? 16 more or 16 lesser? 16 more. What is the question here? Length of the rectangle or not? What is the half of the 88? 44. Next, what is the half of the 16? 8. Then 44 plus 8. It will be length of a rectangular. What is the half of the 88? 44. What is the half of the 16? 8. 44 plus 8. 52. That value are length of the which one? Rectangle. Two values are adding, we are get the how much value? 88. But two values are subtracting, we are get the 16. Solving those two, we are get the length comma breadth values or not. Or else half of the 88 and half of the 16. Next, answer are 52 or 46? 52. Suppose we required breadth value means written 44 minus 8 or plus 8? Minus 8. Next question number 34. 1/3 of a number is 2 less than the 2/3 of another number. If the sum of the two numbers is given 21, what is their product or not? And here the sum of the two numbers will be how much? 21. But we required their product or not? Okay. Suppose 21 sum of the two numbers or not? Sum of the two numbers are 21. Then possibility I written 12 plus 9. How much? 12 plus 9 how much? 21 or not? 12 nines are 108. In option or not? Okay. What is the first value? 132. 132 means we written 11 into 12 or not? 11 into 12. 11 into 12. And here first number is 1/3 of a number is 2 less than the which one? 2/3 of another number. Means first number is divisible by which one? 3. Second number also divisible by 3 or not? Means the two numbers must be multiples of which one? 3 or not? Then first option we are eliminated or not? Okay. But 11 plus 12 it will be 23. But we required how much? 21. If we are verification, it will be time taken process. But we are used the number of two numbers are taken. One will be A, another one are B. What is the first one? 1/3 of a number means we written A by 3 or not? A by 3 it is equal to compared to 2/3 of another number. 2/3 of another number means we written 2B by 3. Compared to this one, how much value or less? 2 less or 2 more? 2 less. What is the LCM of denominators? 3 or not? This one we written A equal to 2B minus 6 or not? A equal to 2B minus 6. And one more, the sum of the two numbers are given how much? 21. A plus B equal to 21. What is the A value here? 2B minus 6. But A plus B value are 21 or not? In place of A I written 2B minus 6. In place of B I written B. These two are added, it will be equal to how much value? 21 or not? 2B plus B, 3B. Negative 6 becomes positive 6. Total it will be 27. 3B equal to 27 means B value are 9 or not? B value are 9. Then A value are 2 nines are how much? 18. 18 minus 6. Then A equal to how much value? 12 or not? A value are 12 and B value are 9. We required product. What is the answer? 108. Next question number 35. Two trains started running from the same point at the same time in opposite direction. In opposite direction means sum of the speeds or difference of the speeds? Sum of the speeds. The speeds of the two trains are 24 meter per second and 16 meter per second respectively. How much time will they take to be 360 kilometers apart or not? And here we required which one? Time are required or speed are required? Time. Time nothing but we return distance by speed or not? What is the distance value here? 360 or not? Distance value are 360. Next, what is the two trains speed are given? One is 24, another one are 36. Opposite direction means sum of the speeds or difference of the speeds? Sum of the speeds. What is the sum of the speeds? 40 or not? Sum of the speeds are 40. but in denominator value are meter per second, but numerator value are kilometers. Then meter per second is converted to kilometer per hour or not. Means multiplied by 18 by 5 or 5 by 18? 18 by 5. 0, 0 get cancelled. 18 how many times? 36. 2 times or not? 2 again how many times? 4. 2 times. Then t equal to written 5 by 2 or 2 by 5? 5 by 2. 5 by 2 nothing but 2 and half or not? Means which option? Second one. 360 by 40 into 18. Next question number 36. Ken invested a certain sum in scheme A which offers simple interest at the rate of 16% per annum for how many years? 3 years. He also invested 5,400 in scheme B which offers compound interest compounded annually at the rate of 20% per annum for how many years? 2 years. If the interest earned from scheme A is 2/3 of the interest earned from scheme B. What is the question here? What was the sum are invested in scheme A or scheme B? Scheme A. And here scheme A principal are known or unknown? Unknown. What is the rate of percent in scheme A? 16%. How many years are given? 3 years. Simple interest 16%, 3 years means how much percent are getting? 48%. 48% of principal value or not? 48% of principal. Next, second case, what is the rate of percent are given? 20%. How many years? 2 years. 20% for 2 years, compound or simple? Compound. 20% for 2 years, compound or 44% or not? 44% of principal. But here second case principal value are given 5,400 or not? Next, numerator value interest on scheme A, denominator value interest on scheme B. What is the interest on scheme A is 2/3 of which one? Interest of scheme B. Means interest ratio are 2:3 or not? Okay. We required P value or Q value? P value or not? In denominator 44 or not? 44 means it will be 4 into 11 or not? There is no cancellation value in numerator. There is no cancellation value of 11 in numerator or not? Then answer must be 11 multiple or not? How many options are 11 multiples? Only one. There is no cancellation value of 11 in numerator or not? Next 37. A and B can independently finish a piece of work in how many days? 24 days and 40 days respectively. They started working together and after few days B will be left. After that A could finish the remaining work in how many days? 8 days. And after how many days of working together B will be left or not? Actually A can do the whole work in how many days? 24. B can do the work in 40 days or not? What is the LCM of 24 and 40? 120 or not? 24 how many times? 5 times. Means A efficiency are 5 parts. Then B how many times? 3 times or not? Nothing but B efficiency are 3 parts or not? A efficiency 5 parts, B efficiency are 3 parts. Actually A can do the whole work in how many days? 24 days. But in that work A worked on it for, after that A could finish the remaining work in how many days? 8 days. Out of 24 days individually he worked on it for how many days? 8 days or not? Out of 24 individually he worked on it for 8 days means remaining work of A is how much? 16 days work of A or not? 16 days work of A. Out of 24 he worked on it for 8 days means what is the remaining days? 16 days or not? Then remaining work we written 16 days work of A or B? A or not? That 16 days work of A, it is equal to some days work of A and B or only A? A and B or not? Some days work of A and B. A and B some days work, nothing but A plus B efficiency into time or not? A plus B efficiency into time. 16 days work of A, it is equal to which one work? A plus B some days work or only one day work? Some days work. What is the A efficiency here? 5. 16 into 5, 80. It is equal to, what is the A plus B efficiency? 8. 8 into T or not? Then answer 10 days or not? 16 days work of A, it is equal to some days work of which one? A plus B or A minus B? A plus B. Next, question number 38. A started a business by investing 3,000 and after 2 months B joined by investing 5,200. At the end of the 4th month from the start of the business, C will be joined with an investment of how much? 2,000. At the end of the 10 months from the start of the business, A added an additional amount of how many rupees? 2,000. If B share in the annual profit, nothing but total time period are 1 year or not? 1 year nothing but how many months? 12 months. What was the total annual profit or not? First, what is the A investment? 3,000. And what is the B investment? 5,200. What is the C investment? 2,000. Again, A will be how much value are adding? 2,000 or not? All the cases 2 zeros are common or not? Then remove the 2 zeros. What is the A initial investment? 30. It will be used for how many months? At the end of the 10 months from the start of the business, A added how much value? 2,000 or not? Means 30 parts are used for how many months? 10 months. After 10 months, how much value are added? 20 or not? 30 plus 20? 50. That 50 are used for how many months? 2 months or not? It is which one share? A share or not? Next, second one. What is the B value? What is the B initial investment? 52. But he will be joined after how many months? 2 months. Then his capital are used for 10 months or not? Next, third person after how many months are joined? 4 months. At the end of the 4 months from the start of the business, nothing but his capital are used for remaining 8 months. What is the investment of third person? 20. Used for 8 months or not? Okay. All the cases 0 will be cancelled or not? 0, 0, 0, 0 get cancelled or not? All the cases it will be 10 multiples or not? What is the remaining value in first one? 30 ones are 30. 5 twos are 10. Total 40. Next 40 nothing but it will be 4 multiple or not? 4 how many times 40? 10 times. 4 how many times 52? 13. Second one 2 8s are 16. By 4 means we are get the 4 or not? Then first one is getting how many parts? 10 parts. Second one 13 parts. But in place of 13 parts, how much value are given? 1950. What is the question here? Total annual profit. Total how many parts we need? 27 parts or not? 27 parts. What is the 13 parts value? 1950. We require 27 parts means it is almost to double the 27 will be almost to double the 13 or not? What is the 13 parts value? 1950. Double of 1950. 3,900 or not? Then answer will be near to 3,900. Which option? Fourth option or not? Next question number 39. 7 years from now, the average of A age at that time, B age at that time will be 27 years. 3 years ago, if the respective ratio between the A's age and B's age at that time was how much? 6:11. What is the question here? What is A's percentage or not? Okay. We required which one percentage? A's percentage or not? But 3 years ago, A was how many parts? 6 parts or not? 3 years ago, A was how many parts? 6 parts. But we required which one percentage? A present or B present? A present or not? Verify the options, it will be easy or not? What is the first option? 12. If present value of A we taken as 12, then 3 years back 9 or not? 3 years back how many years? 9 years. But 3 years back how many parts are there? 6 parts. 9 is exactly divisible by 6 or not? No. Next. What is the second option? 15. Present 15. 3 years back 12. 12 is divisible by 6 or not? It will be possible value or not? Next. Third option 32. Present 32. 3 years back 29. It is a multiple of 6 or not? No. Next. Fourth option 22. Present 22. 3 years back 19. 19 is multiple of 6 or not? No. Fifth option 25. Present 25. 3 years back 22. It is multiple of 6 or not? No. How many options? Only one. That will be answer. Next question number 40. A boat can travel 10.2 kilometers upstream in how many minutes? 1 hour 8 minutes. 1 hour nothing but 60 minutes plus 8 minutes. Total 68 minutes. If the speed of the water current is given 1/4 of the which one? Speed of the boat. Means speed of the boat are 4 parts. Speed of the current are 1 part. How much distance the boat can travel downstream in how many minutes? 36 minutes or not? We required distance value. Distance nothing but we return speed into time or speed plus time? Speed into time. Okay. 36 means it will be 9 multiple or not? How many options are 9 multiple? Only one. That will be answer. Next 41. We require distance value. Distance nothing but speed into time or not? Speed is unknown, but time are 36 minutes or not? 36 which one multiple? 9 multiple. How many options are 9 multiples? Only one. Next 41. 2 by 3 of 2 7 by 9. Next 41 to 50 simplifications. 2 by 3 plus 2 by 2 7 by 9 plus 4 by 9 of something equal to how much value? 910. What is the right hand side value? 910. But left hand side value some value or not? Then question mark q equal to we return 910 by bracket value or not? Something value equal to right hand side by left hand side value or not? Clear? What is the numerator value? 910. 910 nothing but 91. It will be 13 multiple and also 7 multiple or not? How many options are 7 multiples? First option is 7 multiple or not? No. Second option? Second one? No. Third one? No. Fourth one? No. Fifth one? No. But 91 means we return 13 into 7 or not? Then we are verify the either 13 or 7. First one is 13 multiple or not? First one? No. But second one? 13 ones are 13. Remaining value 104. Means it will be 13 multiple or not? Then answer is 234. Just to verify the either 13 multiple or 7 multiple. Next question number 42. 35% of 400 minus 76, it is equal to what percent of which value? 160. First priority 35% of which one? 400. What is the 10% of 400? 40. 30% 120. 5% 20. Total it will be 140. 140 minus 76. 140 minus 76. How much value? 64. 64 is what percent of which value? 160 or not? What is the 10% of 160? 16. 64 means how many times? 4 times. Then answer are 40%. Next 43. First priority left hand side bracket value or not? Okay. 0.4 into 720. That value written 72 into 4 or not? 72 into 4 by how much value? 6. It is equal to 3 into 2 power something or not? Okay. First 6 how many times? 72. 12 times or not? 3 again how many times? 12. 4 times. It will be 4 square or not? 4 square nothing but 2 power 4. Then question mark equal to 4 or not? Next 44. 80 divided by 1.5 into 12. First of all, what is the 1 and half double? 3. 3 double? 6. 6 double? 6 double? 12. Means 1 and half 12 almost how many times? 8 times or not? 80 into 8. 640 or not? That 640 will be subtracted from which one? 1820 or not? 120 minus 40. 80. 17 minus 6. 11 or not? The answer are 1180. 40% of 620 plus 35% of something, it is equal to how much value? 416. Okay. 40% of 620 or not? Okay. Just wait. 40% means it is 4 multiple or not? 620 also 4 multiple or not? Overall it will be 16 multiple or not? Okay. 16 multiple plus 35% of something, it is equal to right hand side value also 16 multiple or not? Okay. Means question mark also multiple of which one? 16. Left hand side 16 multiple, right hand side also 16 multiple, means question mark must be multiple of 16. How many options are 16 multiples? Only one. Which option? Fifth one or not? Next 46. First priority multiplication or not? 114 into 5 times how much? 570. 570 minus 380 how much? Matladara. 114 into 5 times how much? 570. 570 minus 380? 190. 190 plus 66? 256. ఇక్కడున్న వాళ్ళ ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఒక 40% మెంబర్స్కి టేబుల్స్ రావు, నేను చెప్పగలుగుతాను. ఓకేనా? వస్తే మాట్లాడొచ్చు కదా. స్క్రీన్ మీకు అలవాటు అయిపోతుంది అనుకుంటా. 114 into 5 times how much? 570. 570 minus 380? 190. 190 plus 66? 256. Which one square? 16 square or not? Under root of 256 means we are get the left hand side are 16. But 16 means which one square? 4 square. Then question mark equal to 4 or not? Next 47. Next. In left hand side first priority bracket value or not? First 3 by 7 means 24 by 7. Next 2 by 3 means 14 by 3 or not? 7 how many times? 14. 2 times. 3 how many times? 8 times. 8 2s are 16. Negative 16 becomes positive 16. Already 3 cube 27. Then answer 27 plus 16. How much? 43. Next 48. First priority bracket value into 4 by 7 equal to 360 are given or not? First 4 how many times? 360. 90 times. 90 into denominator 7, it will become multiplied by 7 times or not? 97 times how much? 630 or not? That 630 are equal to 415.5 plus 115.75 plus something equal to how much value? 630. In that which one are subtracted? What are the first 3 digits of each number? Left hand side. 415 plus 115. 415 plus 115. 530. 630 minus 530. 100 or not? Okay. Next. And in first value 0.5. Second value 0.25. 0.5 plus 0.25, 1.25. That 1.25 are subtracted from which one? 100 or not? Then 100 minus 1.5, 1.25, 98.75 or not? Next 49. First priority root value or not? Root 56 means 16. But numerator value 6 square into 8 square or not? But that value I written 6 into 8 power 2 or not? 6 into 8 power 2. 6 into 8 means how much? 48. It will be 48 into 48 by how much value? 16 or not? 16 how many times? 48. 3 times. 48 3s are 48 3 times 144. In that how much value are subtracted? 80. What is the remaining value? 64. 64 means which one cube? 4 cube. Then something value are equal to 3 or not? What are the left hand side values? Under root of 3136 plus under root of 625. What is the under root of 3136? 56 plus under root of 625. 25. 56 plus 25. 81. 81 nothing but it is 3 power 4 or not? 3 power 4 equal to 3 power 12 minus or not? Means something value are equal to how much? 8. Which option? Fourth one. Wrong number is complete. Next question number 56 to 60. Approximations. First priority division or addition? Division. First value is how much? 1680 by how much value? 48 into 60 plus under root of 121. Nothing but we return 11 or not? First. What is the denominator value in first term? 48. 48 means it will be 12 multiple or not? 12 how many times? 48? 4 times. 12 how many times? 60? 5 times or not? Next 4 how many times? 1680. 4 4s are 4 2s are again 0. 420 into 5. 2100 plus how much value you are adding? 11. Then answer 2111. Which option? Third one. Next 57. First priority division value or not? What is the first one we written? 975 by how much value? 15. 15 almost how many times? 65 times or not? Next second one 250 by how much value? 9.99 almost 10. 10 square means 100 or not? This one numerator 0 denominator 0 get cancelled or not? 25 by 10 means 2.5 or not? 25 by 10 2.5. These two are adding or subtracting? Adding. Then we are get the 67.5. What is the nearest value in options? 67. Next question number 58. First one is 4 by 9, second one pi by 11. Next 13 by 36 of which value? 840 or not? 36 means it will be 12 multiple or not? 36 how many times? 12? 3 times. 840? 7 times or not? Okay. First one I written 4 by 9. Second value 5 by 11. Next one 13 by 36 into how much value? 840 or not? Clear? 12 how many times? 36? 3 times. 12 how many times? 840? 70 times or not? Next. What are the numerator values? 4, 5, 13 or not? 4 into 5? 20. Denominator 9 into 11 or not? 99. 20 by 99 means almost 5 times or not? Almost 5 times. Next 5 how many times? 70. 14 times or not? This one we written 13 into 14 by 3 or not? What is the 13 10 times? 130. 13 4s are 52. Total it will be 182 by how much value? 3. Almost 60 times or not? What is the nearest value in options? First option or not? What is the question number? $59. Next, first priority 15 square plus 25 square or not? What is the 15 square value? 225. What is the 25 square value? 625. 625 plus 225. 850 or not? Out of 850 we are subtracted how much value? 801. 850 minus 801. 49. Then we return something value, it is equal to denominator value we return 49. Then numerator value or bracket value or not? Left hand side minus right hand side. Difference, it is equal to which one? Left bracket value by division or not? Okay. But this one I return bracket value by 49 or not? Okay. If anyone doubt, this one is how much? 800 or 850? 850. This one are how much? 801. What is the difference? 49. 49 equal to bracket value by something or not? But this one I written something value, it is equal to denominator how much? 49. Then numerator value are only bracket term or not? Okay. First 0.58 plus 0.52 how much? 1. 1 plus 19 20. 20 plus 65 85. The last two digits are 85. Next 21 plus 10 31. It will be 3185 by how much value? 49 or not? 49. What is the 49 6 times how much? 49 6 times how much? 6 40s 200. 6 9s are 54. 240 plus 54 294 means it is more than 60 times or less than 60 times? More than 60 times. Which option? Fifth option or not? What is the numerator value? 318. First we are verify the 6 times value. 49 6 how much? 294 means we are get the more than 60 times or less than 60 times? More than 60 times. How many options? Only one. Next question number 60. First priority bracket values or not? 30% of which one first value? 4520. What is the 10%? 452. 30%? 30%. 3 times or 4 times? 3 times. It will be 1, 3, 5, 6. Next, second one, 80% of which value? 5690. 80%. What is the 10% value? 569. How many times we need? 8 times or not? How many times we need? 8 times. 8 into 500, 4000 or not? 8 into 60, 480. 8 nines are 72 or not? Okay. First, what are the first two digits of first value? 13. Second one, 40. Total it will be 53. 53 plus 4, 57. We are get the more than 5700 or less than 5700? More than 5700. 80 plus 72. Verify the last two digits. 80 plus 72. 152. 152 plus 56. 208. These two are added. We are getting how much value? 5908. Which option? Third option. Next, caselet model Venn diagram cases. In an institute having 1200 students, boys and girls are in the ratio of which one? 7:8. Students are playing one or more games out of the badminton, table tennis and basketball or not? Okay. First, total how many students are there? 1200. In that boys and girls are in which ratio? 7:8. Total how many parts? 15 parts. 15 parts value are 1200. 15 parts are 1200 means every one part are 80. Boys are how many parts? 7 parts. Means boys value are how many members? 560. Boys are 560. Then girls are how many parts? 8 parts. 8 parts are 640 or not? 8 parts are 640. Next, suppose total boys we treated as 100%. Total boys are 100%. Out of 100%, out of the boys 15% play only badminton. Only badminton is how much percent? 15%. Only table tennis are 10% and 20% play only basketball. Okay. In boys case, 3 sports are only one sport. 3 sports. First one is which one? Badminton. Second one are table tennis. Next one are basketball or not? Next one are basketball. It is Venn diagram case, but we are not required Venn diagram here. Okay. First, out of the 100%, first one is how much percent are completed? 15. Second one, 10. All the percentage are added. 15 plus 10, 25. Plus 20, 45. Plus 10, 55. Plus 25, how much? 80. 80 plus 15, 95. What is the remaining percentage? 5%. That 5% are all the sports are only one sport. All the sports are not. All the sports. Next. Then write down the remaining values also in diagram. We are easy format. Okay. First one, only tennis, only badminton is how much percent? 15%. Only table tennis are 10%. Basketball only 20%. Next, 10% play only basketball and table tennis. Means here percentage are 10% or not. Next one, 25% play only badminton and table tennis. Is how much percent? Badminton and basketball. Here it is basketball. 25% play badminton and table tennis. 10% play only basketball and table tennis. %25 play are which one? Badminton and table tennis. Badminton and table tennis means here percentage are how much? 25%. Next, what is the next one are given? 15% play only basketball and badminton. Basketball and badminton, how much percent? 15% or not? Next, last one, table tennis are how much percent? 10%. 10% basketball and table tennis. Okay, it is the first one. Next, in girls also same or different? Same. Badminton, table tennis, basketball. Out of the girls, 20% play only badminton. Only badminton girls are how much? 20%. Next, second one, 25% play only table tennis. Only table tennis are 25%. Next, 10% are play only basketball. Next, 15% play only basketball and table tennis. Means here 15% or not. Next, 5% play badminton and table tennis. Badminton table tennis is how much percent here? 5%. Next, 10% play only basketball and badminton. Means here value or not. And one more, and the remaining girls play all the 3 games or not. How much percent are getting? 85% are complete. What is the remaining percentage? 15% or not. That 15% will be all the 3 games or only 1 game? All the 3 games. Okay. First, suppose we required badminton only boys. Only badminton boys means 15% of which value? 560. Only badminton girls means 20% of which value? 640 or not. Okay. What is the first question? What is the difference between the number of boys playing only one of the three games and the number of girls playing only one of the three games or not? Only one sport or two sports? Only one sport. Boys and girls, we require a difference or not? In boys only badminton are how much? 15. Only table tennis 10. Basketball 20. Total it will be 45%. 45% of which value? 560 or not? 45% of which one? 560. Second one, in girls badminton are 20%, table tennis 25, basketball 10%. Total it will be 55%. 55% of which value? 640 or not? One is 45% of 560, another one are 55% of 640 or not? 640. What is the 45% of 560? 50% minus 5%. What is the 50% of 560? 280. 5% value 28. 280 minus 28. 252 or not? Next, 55% of which value? 640. Means 50% plus 5%. What is the 50% value? 320. 5% 32. Total it will be 320 plus 32. 352 or not? We require difference between these two values. How much value are difference? 100 or not? What percentage of the students do not play table tennis or not? What percentage of the students do not play table tennis? Nothing but we required other than the table tennis or only table tennis? Other than the table tennis. Number of students or boys? Number of students. Okay. First, other than the which one? Table tennis or not? Other than the table tennis means we not required table tennis value or not? We not required table tennis. Other than the table tennis value, what is the remaining percentage in boys? 15, 15 and 20 or not? Other than the red circle, what are the remaining values? 15, 15, 20. How much? 50%. 50% of which value? 560. 50% of 560 means how much? 280. One is 280. Next one. Second one. Girls also other than the table tennis or not? Other than the table tennis. Other than the red circle is how much percent? 40% or not? 40% of which value? 640. What is the 10%? 64. 20%? 128. 40%? 256. 280 plus 256? 536. 536 it will be calculated on total value or remaining value? Total value. What is the total value are given? 1200. 536 upon 1200 converted to percent or not? 2 zeros are get cancelled or not? 12 how many times? 53. 4 times. What is the remaining value? 96. 96 means almost 8 times or not? Then answer 48%. 12 for the 48, remaining value 56. 56 means 12 for the 48, remaining value are 8. 8 by 12. 8 by 12 means it is 2 by 3. 44, 2 by 3. Sorry, it is 44, 2 by 3. Next, question number 63. Number of boys playing all the 3 games is what percentage of the number of girls playing all the 3 games or not? Number of boys playing all the 3 games means in first diagram how much percent we need? 5%. Second diagram 15% or not? 5% of which value? 560. What is the 5% of 560? 28 or not? 28. Next, second diagram how much percent? 15%. What is the 15% of 640? 10% 64. 5% 32. 64 plus 32 96. Then 96 are adding or subtracting? Adding. 96 plus 28, it will be how much? 124. One is 28, another one are 96. 28 upon 96 converted to which one? Percentage or value? Percentage. 28 by 96 into 100. 4 how many times numerator? 7 times. Denominator 24 or not? Next again 24 means 4 how many times? 6 times. 125. 7 into 25 it will be 175 by how much value? 6 or not? 175 by 6. 6 how many times? 2 times. What is the remaining value? 55. How many times? 9 times. 29. 1 by 6. Are ending with 5. How many options? Ending with 5. How many options? 2 options. 175 means it is near to 180 minus 5 or not? Means near to 30 times or less than 30 times? Less than 30 times but near to 30 times value. Which option? First one or second one? First one. Next 64. How many boys play at least 2 games? At least 2 games. At least 2 games means minimum 2, maximum are 3. Minimum 2, maximum are 3. Means we are take the only combinations values or not? Only combinations. 25 plus 5, 30 plus 10, 40 plus 15, 55. 55% of which value we need? 560. 55% of 560. What is the 50% value? 280. 50% 280. Again 5%, 28. 280 plus 28. 308. Which option? Second one. Next. Last one. What is the ratio between the number of boys playing badminton and the number of girls playing badminton respectively or not? Boys playing badminton, nothing but total boys badminton value or not? Girls playing badminton, nothing but total girls badminton value or not? Okay, first boys playing badminton means only red color portion or not? Means how much percent overall? 15 plus 25, 40, 40 plus 20, 60. 60% of which value? 560. But 560 I written 7 parts or not? What are the boys? How many parts? 7 parts. Next, in girls. Girls how much percent? 55%. 55% of which value? 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 20, 50%. 50% of which value? 8 parts or 4 parts? 8 parts or not? Okay. The numerator 0, denominator 0, both are cancelled or not? Next, 2 how many times? 6? 3 times. 2 how many times? 8. 4 times. Then answer 3 7s are 21, 5 4s are 20. Then ratio are 21:20. Which option? First option. Okay.